In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color grade a video using Clipchamp in just about 5 minutes. Color grading is a crucial step in video production that helps enhance the mood and visual appeal of your content. So let's dive right in and see how you can transform your videos with just a few simple steps. First things first, you need to open your web browser and search for Clipchamp. Clipchamp is an online video editing tool, and you don't need to download any software to your computer, which makes it very convenient and accessible. Once you're on the Clipchamp website, you'll need to log in. If you don't already have an account, creating one is straightforward, and you can use an existing email or social media account to sign up quickly. After logging in, you'll be greeted with the Clipchamp dashboard, where you can choose to either open an existing project or start a new one. If this is your first time, creating a new project will be a clean slate for you to work with. Now that you have your project open, head over to the Your Media tab and click on Import Media. This is where you'll add the video file that you want to work on. You can upload from your computer or directly import from cloud storage services, whatever suits your workflow best. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to integrate it into your timeline. Simply drag and drop your video clip from the media library onto the timeline located at the bottom of your screen. The timeline is your main staging area, where you'll perform all your editing and adjustments. With your video clip on the timeline, click on it to select it. A property panel will appear on the right-hand side. Here, you'll click on the Adjust Colors tab. This is where the real magic happens. You'll notice a set of sliders that let you alter various aspects of your video's appearance. Let's start with the exposure slider, which plays with the overall brightness and darkness of your clip. Make subtle adjustments here to bring out details that might be hidden in shadows or overexposed in highlights. Next, there's the contrast slider. This controls the difference between the darkest and lightest parts of your video, enhancing depth and drama if desired. Then, we have the saturation slider. This adjusts the intensity of the colors in your video. If your footage looks a bit monotonous, increasing the saturation can liven it up, while decreasing it might give you a more muted, cinematic look. Finally, explore the temperature slider, which allows you to push the colors towards the warmer, yellow-orange tones or cooler, blue hues, depending on the mood you intend to set. If at any point you're not satisfied with how the adjustments are turning out, you can always hit the Reset button within the Adjust Colors tab. This will return your clip to its original state, giving you a fresh start, and that's all there is to it. With these essential adjustments, you can dramatically change the feel and look of your video clips. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore different settings to find what suits your style best.